Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we will learn how to connect hikvision DVR to your mobile. So stay with me and let's begin.
First, log into your DVR and click on Settings. Click on Network. Now enable DHCP settings. Click on Apply and you can see IP has been changed. Now click on Connect and you can see status is online now. You can see verification code here and you also can change it. We will use following QR code to connect it to the mobile. Open and login HeConnect app in your mobile and now press on add button. Press scan QR code. Allow the all permissions and now scan QR code of the DVR. Allow the permission. Press next now and device successfully added in your account. You can touch and play the camera. And you can see camera is playing now. You can explore more options.